What do people do when the power's out for more than 2 days?
Oh, almost a full house.
They play Yahtzee. And they throw it in their coffee cup like Baron did the last time. He had to go disinfect his coffee.
Good thing's not open. Oh, it is, sorry. 3. I guess I got a 0.
Let's see. Oh, you look pretty good. In candlelight. Let me see ya. We'll get a little closer now.
Hello, guys.
You got out of the light.
Come here.
Wait, you're out of the light. Move forward and get in the light. Oh, there. Now I see you.
Here I am.
I'm going to close up.
See how fire?
I saw it. Uh-oh. There, now you're in focus.
All right.
All right. Now say something really smart.
Oatmeal cookies and hot coffee, and we love the snow. Snow, snow, snow. Let it snow.
Dave would be jealous, huh? Yeah, what do you think of Dave? He doesn't get snow. Ha ha ha.
He wouldn't know what to do.
Okay, say bye.
Bye-bye.
What's the date? What's the date? February
27.
2011.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.